Meow. So this is just the face from the whole body of the last cat video that I posted. And I've sped it up twice the speed so you can see things quickly. Just basically finding my way. That's why all those extra lines, I don't mind having extra lines when I'm finding my way because it helps me find my way and it also adds to the overall background tone of the finished drawing, which you'll see at the end. And you might have already seen if you watch the full body video of this one that I posted yesterday. So I'm just kind of finding the eyes here. I like to keep it light so I can make corrections at this stage. And then that little muzzle with the nose for this cute little kitty, this little facey. Tell me about your cat. I love to hear about your cat. I love to hear about what your favorite medium is, what kind of cat you like to draw, where you are in the world. I love to hear from you. And are there any cat parts that are challenging to you that you might want more help with that I could make a video of? What do you find most challenging about cat drawing? So drop me a comment. At this stage, I'm kind of just, really viewing my drawing while I'm watching it, just kind of observing it and deciding if it needs any changes at this stage where it's still easy to correct. I don't worry about making it look perfect. I love a little bit of wonkiness because it adds character. So that crooked smile. One eye maybe, a little bit angled different than the other. Just kind of gives that sideways look. And those tabby stripes are always wonderful for adding expression. And basically they're cross contour too. You got to pay attention of them. You notice the ones beside the eyes, they go around the side of the face. So that's all part of helping it look more 3D. Sorry about the wiggly camera. I think it's because I'm zoomed up a little bit close. Because this was a full video too. I posted that one yesterday. And so I zoomed up a little closer here. So I'm still working out the glitches of getting the camera to do exactly what I want, but I'm getting there. It's a learning curve for me. All the technology. So if you want to draw the full cat, then you'll see a link in the description below to the video of the full cat. This full sitting cat. It's a bit of a longer video and it's slower too. It's real time. So I hope you join me for that one too. I like this little kitty. I like the quirky little look, the character, the soul. It's really expression that I aim for more than anything. Thanks for watching.